Hey there! I want to share some really exciting news with our military community and the VA loan eligible veterans. Did you know you can turn your current home into a dream home with a VA renovation loan? A VA renovation loan combines the benefits of a standard VA loan with the ability to finance home improvements all in one convenient package. With a VA renovation loan, you can finance up to 100% of the home's value plus the cost of repairs. That means you can upgrade your kitchen, add a new bathroom, or even make your home energy efficient without the need for a separate loan. Just imagine transforming outdated spaces into modern, functional areas that truly fit your lifestyle. Whether it's a small upgrade or a major overhaul, a VA renovation loan makes it possible. So if you're a veteran and you're looking to update your home or buy a fixer-upper, it would be my honor to help our veterans with a VA renovation loan. It could be the perfect solution. So call me at Loan Depot, 410-212-5008, and let's turn your house into your dream home together.